The AI Truth 2026, Why 80% of Freelancers Vanished. 1. The Hook, the ghost town of Upwork. Look at these numbers. In 2023, we dreamed of freedom. In 2024, we got nervous. And by 2026, 80% of the traditional freelance workforce has completely evaporated. This isn't a prediction. This is the reality on the ground right now. The bread and butter jobs, SEO, writing, basic logo design, simple web coding have been swallowed whole by agentic AI systems that work 24/7 for the price of a cup of coffee. Why are you watching this? Because you're either part of the 20% still standing or you're standing on the edge of the cliff. Today, we are stripping back the curtain on the AI Purge of 2026 and, more importantly, how to make sure you aren't next. To the massacre, who died first? Why 80%? Because AI in 2026 isn't a chatbot anymore. These are AI agents, entities that can plan, execute, and self-correct without human prompts. The death of the writer for hire. 90% of blog posts and social copy are now generated by models like Nano Banana. Clients aren't paying $20 post when they can generate 1,000 high-quality articles in 10 seconds. The collapse of the pixel pusher. With 8K video and 3D rendering available from a single text prompt, basic graphic design jobs have vanished. The coder's nightmare. AI engineers can now build and deploy entire apps. If you were just writing code, you're obsolete. The fatal mistake of the 80%, they tried to compete with AI on speed and price. That is a war you will always lose. 3. The new workspace, from doer to director. So what is the 20% doing to earn $20K a month while everyone else starves? They've shifted from execution to orchestration. In 2026, the word freelancer is dead. The new title is AI-Augmented Solopreneur. Look at the workflow. Instead of spending 10 hours writing a report, they spend 15 minutes configuring an AI agent cluster to scrape, analyze, and visualize data. The rest of their time, they spend it on high-level strategy, the one thing AI still can't fake. Shocking fact, average earnings for AI interaction specialists on major platforms are now 5x higher than what a top-tier copywriter made in 2024. 4. The 20% secret, human-only skills. Why do clients still need humans? Because AI in 2026 still has a glass ceiling. There are 3 things it can't touch. 1. Empathy and connection. AI can simulate care, but it can't worry with a client or celebrate a win. Human trust is the most expensive currency in 2026. 2. Ethics and accountability. When AI hallucinates or leaks data, who goes to jail? Clients hire humans to be the moral safeguard. 3. Cross-context strategy. AI is brilliant in a vacuum, but understanding local culture, politics, and the gut feeling of a market, that's your playground. 5. The wake-up call. It's infrastructure, not a tool. If you're still bragging that you don't use AI to stay original, I have bad news. You're walking on a highway. In 2026, AI isn't a helper. It's the infrastructure. It's like electricity or the internet. You cannot work without it. The 80% who vanished are the ones who refuse to ride the wave. Don't fight the AI. Own the AI. Become a hybrid professional. 6. Conclusion, your survival plan. The 2026 world is brutal, but it's a goldmine for those who adapt. To stay in the 20%, do these 3 things right now. 1. Stop selling time, start selling outcomes. Charge for the result your AI systems produce, not the hours you sit at a desk. 2. Build an uncopyable personal brand. In a sea of AI content, your face and your voice are the only things that can't be cloned. 3. Master the AI workflow. Learn to build autonomous systems, not just how to write prompts. The question for you. 1. Are you in the 80% fearful or the 20% dominant? 2. Which job do you think AI will consume next? Let's argue in the comments. I want to see your 2026 survival plans. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Next week, I'm showing you how to build a one-person AI agency that does the work of 10 people. Welcome to the new era. Keep seeking the truth. See you in the next one.